is the best social media platform for you? Instagram versus TikTok. Both are completely different platforms, and you'll find if you are posting on both of these social media platforms, then you are probably struggling greatly. They are completely different on how you should deliver your content and the type of content that works best. This is why many creators and businesses are struggling. And the same thing from Instagram to TikTok or from TikTok to Instagram. The feed or the audience is just not resonating with it at all. There are plenty of differences and key reasons why, so make sure you watch this video to the very end. And I'm also going to reveal what is the best social media platform for you. TikTok and Instagram both serve different purposes. Content should really reflect on that. On Instagram, people care about who you are. They'll already have some kind of connection and know you. This is mainly because Instagram is more of a community and social media app. A lot of your content gets shown to your followers first. So with your content, it should be delivered so it can create a personal connection with your audience, like you already know them. And that's why you often see lots of posts which go onto TikTok with this style, which flop massively. The audience has no idea who you are. You should open a personal experience to establish a connection with your audience. This is where you could nurture your leads or customers if you are running a business and use it part of your sales funnel. On TikTok, you're just another face in the crowd. People don't really care about your personal experiences unless you can create a bit of empathy, or they are viewing your TikTok stories, which is a completely different ballgame. But as TikTok is a reaction-based platform, it's all about character and conversations, they only care about what you can serve and deliver them immediately. So you really need to start delivering your videos with value straight off the bat. Don't get me wrong, you can talk about personal experiences on TikTok, just make sure there's some kind of value in there and hit off with that straight away. Really ditch the long boring intros or the "Hi guys, I'm a social media marketer," blah, blah. You would have lost somebody straight away if you do that. Delivering value in the first 5 to 15 seconds. But then if you did this type of content on Instagram, you can add a bit more personal touches into the mix. Instagram does its best to connect with people you already know, while TikTok reaches out to new audiences all the time, unless you use the TikTok stories feature or the live feature, which can help you build up connections with your followers. The strategy and content must reflect on these differences for it to be effective. Is the best social media platform for you? Go on the platform that is right for you and your desired audience is at. For example, Instagram is now aimed more for Gen Z, whereas TikTok's starting to get more of an older audience from say like 25, 35 plus now. Facebook is definitely where the millennials at, even though they're starting to take over TikTok. Biggest social media platform there is to get your content seen. It has many features like status updates, event planning, groups, plus Facebook Reels that get loads of reach. Instagram Threads and X, formerly known Twitter, is really good for documenting your thoughts or sharing anything exciting or updates. Either way, Twitter, X, and LinkedIn are both offering video tabs soon. Pinterest appeals to a specific audience for social media use, and its unique format makes it different from all the other social media platforms, but it's really good for creative enthusiasts like artists, designers, do-it-yourselfers, people interested in creative products, people love knitting, hands or work of creative work, and you can use Pinterest to showcase your products or give tutorials or link tutorials. It's also good for planners and organizers. So it's very good for people planning things like weddings, parties, or even business events, because people can create boards to organize themes, directions, ideas. Also, people who love doing home decor, foodies and cooks, recipe seekers, and fitness enthusiasts. And you've also got fashion and beauty fans, for style enthusiasts, personal stylists, also travel and adventure seekers like travel planners, adventures, showing adventure activities, and also business owners and marketers like small business owners, showing creative or visual fields like design, crafts, and fashion to showcase your products and services. Also content like bloggers, influencers, and other content creators can use Pinterest to drive traffic to their websites by pinning blog posts, product images, or even just your content from YouTube. Then we have educators and students, teachers. You can share lesson plans, classroom ideas, teaching resources. Students, you can share study tips, product ideas, or other educational resources. And just anything like quotes, lifestyle tips, aesthetic pleasing content. Pinterest just appeals to anyone who wants to post visual content or want to inspire other people with inspiration. Lemonade is very much like Instagram, very visual pleasing, so it's very good for images. And also we have TikTok Notes, TikTok Weed, they keep changing the name all the time. But this app is very, very similar to Instagram and also Instagram Threads. Of course, how can we forget YouTube? YouTube is an incredible, versatile platform that can serve a wide range of purposes, making it really useful for different kinds of users. For example, entertainment, you can have music videos, comedy and sketches, web series, shows and podcasts, education and learning with tutorials, how to, educational channels, online courses, news and information, current events and news, documentaries, tech reviews, unboxings, and also community and connection with vlogging, live streaming, comments and discussion. And then we have more business and marketing for brand promotion. So you can promote your products and services, and brand identity through commercials, demos, and content marketing. Then we have content monetization, making money from our content, SEO and traffic generation, and also inspiration and motivation with fitness and wellness and motivational content, gaming, playing live videos and walkthroughs, esports and competitions, and niche communities, hobbies and special interests, travel vlogs, and then you've got personal development with self-improvement, language learning. Overall, YouTube is a multi-phase platform that serves as a source of entertainment, education, community, and business opportunities, making it valuable for a wide range of uses. Clapper is basically like an adult version of TikTok with more of an over 18 theme and very controversial and strong opinions from adults, but the organic growth on it is pretty good. But overall, the whole app feels rough and clunky and takes up loads of memory on your phone. You could use this traffic though and try and cross promote your channel onto other social media platforms, so get your Clapper audience onto YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. I also got to remind you, the platforms are different in general as a whole, the way content's consumed, deliver, and their different communities. So for example, on LinkedIn, it's all about networking. It's all about engagement and high value. Instagram is all about being visual and valuable, having like aesthetic feed or polished content. TikTok is more of a reaction-based platform, and it's all about character and having conversations. So you can get away with having sort of more rough, authentic, unedited styles of content. Just think about the place or the platform where you like the vibe and you find it easy to consume and create content for it, because that will help you be consistent in the long run. I also want to remind you, both platforms or any platforms all have their annoying little quirks, and sometimes reach does drop. So if you're one of these people who starts posting content on a social media platform, start to enjoy it because your content's doing well, then you get this period where you're not seeing any progress at all, and then you're just going to jump onto a different platform and then a different platform and a different platform. Then you're never going to succeed ever on social media, because in order to succeed, you've got to ride these waves which go up and down all the time, and it's the people who are persistent and consistent and enjoy the process of making content and still showing up. Other people are going to succeed. There's no quick fix here by going on a particular social media platform. You still got to put the reps in no matter what social media platform you choose. The main goal here is just to be on a social media platform that is right for you, which you enjoy posting content and showing up for, which allows you to be consistent, persistent, which will help you get to your end goal and get results. If you've made it this far and you've not already subscribed, then please do leave me any questions or your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you on the next one.